In a world where the possibilities are limitless, where do we start? We start with a passion, a burning desire to use our talents for the good of society, to improve the world and make our mark on it, to harness our potential for a brighter future. At James Cook University in Singapore, we find the solutions towards a better life in the tropics worldwide. Through high-quality and high-impact research, we address critical challenges facing our communities in Singapore and the immediate region. Building on our research capabilities, the Tropical Futures Institute is also the first research institute established by an Australian university in Singapore. Find yourself transformed by a world-class education program in a university ranked in the top 300 in the world. James Cook University in Singapore is the only Australian institution in Singapore to be recognised with university status and is also the first recipient of the EduTrust Star, which is the highest level of quality assurance in Singapore for private education institutions. We are also awarded the Singapore Quality Class Star for significant business excellence. With a passion for social and environmental sustainability, we create research-driven solutions for real-world challenges. In our aquaculture research and teaching facility, we develop more efficient and sustainable methods of aquaculture production to ensure food security. A range of our programs are widely recognized or accredited, including the recent accreditation by AACSB for our business programs. With a campus designed to support collaborative learning, we equip our students with a global perspective for problem solving, where academic research and industry knowledge from our advisory board inform practical applications. We are also committed to lifelong learning, with JCU in Singapore establishing James Cook Academy, which in turn has acquired Eagle Infotech for continuing professional development. Learning does not stop in the classroom. Dive into a melting pot of cultures and new perspectives in Singapore. Together, let's pursue our passions. Let's strive to make a difference.